trade deal is one of the best things that has happened to India. Let me explain to you, if you have an interest in trade. India's economy, 50% of it is in GDP is in the external sector, which is the value of goods and services exported and imported and remittances. You need to interact with the outside world. The Prime Minister has inspired 9 such trading agreements. The earlier was with the EU's 27. And you know, as my colleague and friend Kiran Rijiju said, to say that the Prime Minister surrendered, he said in Hindi, koi Maika Lal abhi paida nahi hua who can make that charge against Narendra Modi. And let me tell you another thing. He is jealous that India is doing well. He makes all kinds of nonsensical statements against the armed forces. He goes around waving a copy of the constitution. It had a cellophane cover around it.
No, but why would a leader of opposition be jealous of the growth of the country?
Because he does not believe in the aspirations of the people. Ask him, just compile all the statements he's made in the last 1 year. What is he questioning? He's questioning the rate of growth. He says India is a dead economy. I know some other important person said that, but that could be a negotiating leverage. But Rahul Gandhi subscribed to it. By the way, at the same time, our quarter-on-quarter growth was 8.2%. Previous quarter, 7.8. IMF raised it from 6.6 to 7.3. Are you getting my point? So here is a country which is growing. He mixes apples and oranges. If you want to make something, if you want to make an allegation or something, make it on that subject. Come to the subject and say, all right, this is the interest which has been sold out. Develop it. And Nirmala gave the answer on that. And by the way, I have yet to see, you know, instead of making a substantive response, that take 10 seconds out of a statement, of a press conference, which was 55 minutes. 10 seconds you take it, then AI generate a falsehood around.